It is time to Mr. Crossing fishing the world. Hello, I am Saburo Crossing. Today I'd like to catch a marlin in this Australian sea. Let's start fishing. What did you catch? I caught an empty can. At first it's like this. What did you catch? I caught the boot. The Australian sea is difficult. What did you catch? I caught a kangaroo sign. I wonder if Australia has kangaroos in the sea. What did you catch? I caught a kangaroo. There are kangaroos in the Australia Sea. What did you catch? I caught Sydney Opera House. The Australian Sea is amazing. What did you catch? I caught the stone. I caught Ayers Rock. What did you catch? I also caught a sign. It's a sign of a koala, so I can catch a koala. What did you catch? I caught a koala sweet. This is delicious.